Welcome to homework.
Hello students, welcome back. In this question, we are given write the important conditions required for the linear combination of two atomic orbitals to form a molecular orbital. Okay, so we need to write the important conditions required for the linear combination of two atomic orbitals to form a molecular orbital. Okay, so there are three conditions essential for this linear combination. The first condition is that the energy of the combining orbital should be approximately the same. Okay, so energy of combining orbitals, okay, atomic orbitals which are combining together, their energy should be same. Okay, should be same. Okay, so this is the first and foremost condition. Okay, so if I give you example, like in case of a homonuclear diatomic molecule, a homonuclear diatomic molecule, 1s orbital of one atom can combine with 1s orbital of second atom, but not with the 1s atom of second atom. Okay, so let's say these are two atoms. So the 1s orbital of this atom can only combine with the 1s atom of 1s orbital of this atom. It cannot combine with 2s orbital. Okay, so the energy of the orbital should be same. Now the second condition which should be important, which is important for the linear combination, is that to ensure the maximum overlap, the combining orbitals should have the proper orientation. Okay, so next is proper orientation. So for orbitals to completely overlap, to ensure their maximum overlap, they should be in the proper orientation. Okay. Now the last condition which should hold is that the extent of overlap should be large. Okay, extent of overlap, that they should completely overlap on each other. Okay, so the extent of overlap should be large. Okay, to ensure the linear combination of atomic orbitals. Okay, that's it. Thank you.